In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PrimeXBT. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to of course sign into your account on PrimeXBT.com, and I'm going to show you how to actually trade and use PrimeXBT with my demo account. Now, the first thing you want to know is whenever you hover over crypto futures top left, you'll be able to see your accounts. Now, I'm currently on my demo account, but you can also just switch between these accounts by clicking on them like that. Up top, you also have your copy trading, so in case you are into copy trading, you can click on that, and over here you can basically copy different strategies and different people and options you have over here. You can see the active days, the performances, the ratings, etc. You can go ahead and also filter this or save some of them, and then you can see your copy trades, your strategies, your COVs, etc. Okay, so this is completely up to you. If you want to do that, feel free to do so over here. Now, here you can also have these shortcuts to all of these pages over here. When you go to rewards over here, you'll be able to see you can complete tasks to earn rewards, and you can go ahead and read all about that. So as you can see, by depositing, by making your first trade, you can also get rewards in here inside PrimeXBT. And if you go to more over here, you can also go ahead, create a new account, go to their exchange, your trading history, their fees and conditions, copy trading, different promotion things, and learn and research as well. And then you can see their help center, their community, and their licenses and regulations. So those are the things you want to know. Now here, whenever you come to your account, you also see the deposit option where you can click, and then over here you can basically just add funds to your account via either a money deposit or a crypto deposit. And here you can see your accounts. You can go to your wallet, you can deposit, withdraw, transfer, exchange, or see your transfer history. Top right, you can see your user ID. You can verify your account if you are not verified yet, and then you can see your VIP status. You can refer friends, get the support chat, tell them about your feedback, see the history, settings, and log out of your account. So these are the basic functions. Now let's go through how to actually use this trader, where of course you're going to spend the most amount of time, most likely. Now here on the left, you can see this is the basic chart. It is chart by trading view. So if you've ever used trading view before, you can do everything you can do on trading view on this chart as well, because the charts are theirs. Now here you can of course draw different lines, squares, shapes, text, etc. You can do whatever you want, just like you can on trading view. And then up here at the top, you can see you can select your basically what time you want to be seeing it, so different ones. So you can go ahead and select in minutes if you want minute charts, hour charts, day charts, whatever. Here you can go ahead and switch between different types of charts, and here you can see you can add on the indicators, etc. Okay, over here you can also select what layout you want to have. You can go ahead and set different settings of your chart. You can go ahead and take a screenshot or a snapshot, and here you can go ahead and of course toggle different options as well. This button over here will enable full screen like that, and then you can just disable it by clicking here again. Here at the right, you can see the order book, and then you can also see the trades. So this is up to you how you want to see it, like this, like that, or like that. That's up to you again. And over here you can see the current trades going on. Of course, you have to select what you want to trade first. So here currently I'm on Bitcoin. You can go ahead and select whatever you want. So let's say we're going to go to Ethereum right now. There we go, and everything will update. Here on the right, you can go ahead and start trading. So here you can see this plus button. You can add a specific basically demo balance if you want to, or deposit real funds if you want to basically start live trading with real money. Here you can also enable one-click trading if that's something you want to essentially do, or you can just go ahead and you can buy with market, limit, or stop orders. Okay, so this is up to you. You can set that, and then you can go ahead and see your order values, your fees, margin impact, estimated liquidity price, etc. And you can also read about the trading conditions over here and about the margins over here. Now you can see you can go ahead and enable take profit and stop loss as well, and then here you can just go ahead and buy long, and then you have to click on place buy order, and you can sell or short, and you can place sell order as well, just like that. Very easy. Now here at the very bottom, You can also see your account details. If it's hidden, make sure you just kind of extend this. And here you can see your current positions. These are your positions. These are your orders, your fills, history, statistics, transactions. So you have a bunch of different things you can check over here regarding your account and your trading activity. Now, that's pretty much it when it comes to actually using PrimeXBT. That's how much there is to it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.